This is Mrs. Reister again with lesson 5.2, your turn number 2. Jordan also has a nice sweater vest for sale that normally costs $55. What is the price after the 25% going out of business discount? So again, we are talking about a markdown here. So as a consumer, you are not going to pay 25% of that original price. So to find out the amount that we don't have to pay, we are going to start with our decimal, express it as a percent, multiply it by the original amount. So 25% of 55 is $13.75. And this represents the amount of money we don't have to pay because it's a discount. So to find the new amount, we're going to take that $55 and we're going to subtract $13.75. For a new total of $41.25. That is the new and discounted price of the sweater vest.